Yeah. Yeah. As the activist myself, I think the how to say the characteristic of being activist, you will always be quite optimistic. Never, because from our own personal experiences, actually you never know where how you are going to succeed. Actually, everything you have done will have some traits and some inputs. So and actually we have some, I think we have some experiences that actually the when I was teaching at Taida, each time I asked the student, whether your I mean whether your parents vote for pen green or pen blue. Actually, the three quarters, 7%, right? Three quarters of my students they came from the pen blue family. So from my own experiences, actually the second generation or younger generation of the pen blue family, they are not that pro pen blue, but they just distrust the PPP. Definitely because of their family experience of the so-called political socialization or family socialization. So for us, actually KMT will be continue to decline, but there's some little space opening up. So in terms of political strategy, I will say a new party like the Social Democratic Party, actually we are going to attract the young voters, especially the second generation of the pen blue family, because it's very difficult for PPP to attract this kind of voters. So actually nowadays, if you ask the young people what's your ethnic identity, they will say that I really don't know how to answer this question because I have a 1/4 of the mainlander ethnic origin and 2/4 Hakka or something like that. So for them it's really hard for them to imagine how come you will be that pro painful or pro blue for them. But I think they are looking for some kind of new modern party can represent their identity. For example, they are concerned about the gender equality, gay issue, environmental issues. But the old political issues in our establishment is all concerned about only the most important issue, the post-trade issue. It doesn't mean that we don't care about the post-trade issue, but we want to have some progressive agenda in the politics. But it's never the issue. And at least during the election, actually, I don't know whether you look at the young people's voting record. Actually, if the campus represent the Taiwan's future, like from my days, we sort of start to support the DPP when we were young. At that time, DPP only have like a 20%. How to say the votes in some local election. But actually there's some survey in the election. The number one, the Taida student, we got the number one vote, and the 时代力量 got the second. Not because of me, not because I'm a professor there. So not only the Taida, like the Shixing Daxue, Shixing is a private university. 时代力量 got the number one, and we got the number two as the DPP. Things like that. So actually, you will know that the young people, so actually they want to vote for the so-called the third legal force, but just not enough. They didn't get enough vote. I just got an interview from some students from my department, and they told me that they saw before the election they saw 6 of our candidates are going to win. I said, how come you will have this kind of unrealistic view? And all of my Facebook friends, they all support us. So I think just from their Facebook friend, we are going to be the ruling party. So it's just kind of a network. So actually, the reason that we are not, we didn't get anything because actually we didn't get enough media exposure, so we don't have enough resources. But I think if next election will be very important. If some of our members got elected as the city council, they are going to have some media exposure. So next legislative election will be very different. Yeah. So but really depend on the next local election. But so I would say that first of all, in terms of they just make you ask, vote to us in terms of the party vote. So that's kind of weird. Even their daughters, one, there's a famous legislator, Yomini, actually she's on the DPP's party list. She also came from the women's movement, so we are the old-time friend. She told me that even her son and the daughter vote for our party, my party, and we didn't vote for her mother to be on the party list. Okay, so I would say that we got the sense one English sense one, 300,000 votes, but actually that's the very informed voters. That's the vote that is really hard to get. It's based on the policy, the position, not because we have some celebrity in some okay. And secondly, in terms of the advocacy, progressive value, I think we have also have some gains. For example, we successfully to push PPP to have a very good, party list this year. Compared to last time, Taiwan, has to concede to, the old political force. She's lots of, not very good, party list like the, bank, like the Schilling, sorry, the single person, has bad reputation in terms of the financial, domain. But this time, she has the former Green Party chairperson, two former Green Party chairperson. The Green Party is our alliance. We have the Green Party and the Social Democratic Party alliance. So she successfully recruited two former Green Party chairpersons